Hi guys, KVuvo review. Well, that is the name of the software that we will be doing a review in this particular video. What a unique name. And before going ahead and giving you an in-depth review of this particular software, let me like in a nutshell, like this particular product or a software is all about training about the affiliate program or affiliate marketing. And also they give you the software that they have been using and how they are generating income using affiliate marketing. The software they'll be providing you, and apart from that they will be upgrading those training that they're giving on a regular basis so that you understand or you are updated with the latest techniques of affiliate marketing. So it's in a whole, it's a complete package wherein you get to know affiliate marketing, you get trained, you get the software to use for affiliate marketing, and also you get to have, and also you get the updated training and techniques on a regular basis from them, wherein you can implement it in your affiliate marketing business. All right, while we will further going ahead, we'll do an in-depth training of this particular product. But before that, let me tell you what are the bonuses that I'm offering in case you are picking this product using my affiliate link. Is the first one is a blog growth engine. So this is a complete training on how to start a blog and grow it to the level that you want. So this is a highly paid training in the market. If you go and like search it, you will find like people are paying thousands of dollars for this particular program. But from my end, it is a complete free custom bonus that I'm giving. So this is the first one, and the second one is an introduction to affiliate marketing. So it will give you the basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is. So you will have a thorough understanding and a basic and a thorough at the same time. You will have the understanding of affiliate marketing. So this is what the training is all about. This is my second bonus, and the third one is to how to get instant content for free. So how to get instant and unique content, because there are thousands of contents, millions of content in the internet. So your content has to be completely unique, and you need instant content at the same time to feed it to your traffic, right? So this is what the training will help you how you can get those. And the fourth one is YouTube masterclass. So like video is a form of traffic, or a form or a medium of digital medium which attracts the most. And if you are in front of your customer or your traffic in the form of video, then there are more chances that people will engage with your content. So this is what this particular training program is going to help. And this is a highly paid training as well in the market, to be honest. And you can get it free as a custom bonus from my end. And apart from that, you are getting vendor bonuses from the vendor. So all these bonuses are absolutely free of cost, and you are eligible to get these bonuses only when you pick before this timer goes off. So once this timer goes off, all these bonuses would be removed automatically. So make sure that if you are really interested in this particular product, then go ahead and like pick it up at the earliest. All right, and once you pick it up, you can access your bonuses, or you can get your bonuses in your purchase section. If you go to in the purchase section, you will find a blue button called Access Affiliate Bonus. Just go and click on it, and you'll be able to download all your bonuses. All right, now coming back to this particular software, which is KVuvo. This is a hybrid affiliate marketing engine. So this is a hybrid wherein it gives you training as well as gives you software, and at the same time it gives you the updated information, updated technique at the same time, that is on a continuous basis for you to improve and to generate, or to like to increase your affiliate commission periodically. Well, let us see what it says. It says like you get the exact intuitive system that we use every single day. So they are giving the exact system, the exact blueprint, what they have been doing for you to implement it in your affiliate marketing business. And what are the features? We can see like it's a complete affiliate marketing training and affiliate marketing software they're giving, and also they're giving you an industry expert SEO training. So it's not that they're giving a training on affiliate marketing, but they're also giving a training on SEO, because they want you to organically go up in the search engine, so that like you don't have to pay, or you don't have to spend your money on paid traffic most of the time that we do. All right, and apart from that, it says, as you saw, it's hybrid marketing engine, intelligent affiliate software does all the heavy. So the software is programmed in such a way that it does most of the heavy lifting for you. So you don't have to like do much of the work from your end. You will discover the exact method. So the same method what they have been doing, they'll be teaching you. Free professional hosting. Well, this is something I'm seeing for the first time. So you will be getting a hosting service also from them when you start building your website, or they'll give you a free professional hosting as well, which is definitely a time saver as well as a money saver for you. New courses and features to always give you that extra edge. So they'll be publishing new courses, new techniques, strategies for you, so that you implement those in your affiliate marketing and keep and be on the edge of the affiliate marketing business. And affiliate marketing specialist available to help you. So somewhere in case you are stuck or you have a query which you are not able to solve it, you can always reach out to them, affiliate marketing specialist, who can help you to resolve that query, and you can go ahead. All right. So it seems that it's a whole in all, it's a complete package. So you are always on top of affiliate marketing business technique and strategy. And apart from that, there is a personal message from the vendor which you can read out, because this is on the sales page, in fact. And yeah, you can see complete affiliate marketing training, keyword research. They are also doing keyword research by using SEMrush, which is one of the premium tools. So this is absolutely mind blowing. They're giving you domain and site setup automation. So they'll give you those features as well when you build your website. You can easily monetize your WordPress website, create profitable marketing funnel with ClickFunnels Builder. So yeah, they're not only giving you to do a build a website, but they are also helping you to build your funnel as well, because sales funnel is as important as anything, as we know that in online business. All right, so let us see what are the other features that they're giving. Yeah, they have a own product that is SC New, which is a site ranking like SEO tool, in fact. And these are the features: affiliate marketing training, keyword research. They're giving you 7 monetized plugin, WordPress website hosting, point and click funnel builder, management tools, SEO silo plugin, and this is SC Snip, which is a SEO tool that is also be a part of it. So you can see like almost 7 tools and training they are giving you. And let us see the price of the product, and it is only $27, $27.62. So I think this is a great deal. In case you are thinking of starting a affiliate marketing business, then definitely these are the things that a new beginner, or if you have started affiliate marketing but you are struggling to get result and you are lacking on all these features, then this is the right tool for you. And I haven't seen these kind of features in recent reviews that I have done, but this seems that the product curator has gone through these like these things, and he understands, he knows that these are the things that a newbie or a affiliate marketer require, and that's the reason he has included all these features. And I think these are have like must have things. You should have it if you are into affiliate marketing. And at a price point of $27.62, this seems to be a killing offer, a killer offer, I would say. So if you are feeling, if you feel that this is the right product for you, then go for it, because anyways I see that this has a 30-day money back guarantee. So even before 30 days, if you feel like this is not the right product for you, you can always go ahead and get a refund for yourself. All right, guys. So this is what I wanted to convey through this video. I wanted to do a review on this, and if you feel this is the right one or the right software for you, go ahead and get it for yourself and use it and see how it works for you. And that's it from my end, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and have a great day. Bye bye.